Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please check Iraq latest news updates. Just this past week, Iraqi border authorities successfully prevented an attempt to unlawfully transport substantial sums of money at the al-Qaim border with Syria. 2 individuals were apprehended as part of the Iraqi authorities' crackdown on the smuggling of currency across the border. Reports from Iraqi state media indicate that approximately 26 million Iraqi dinars, equivalent to around $19,800 $40,000 in US dollars, and 10,000 Australian dollars were confiscated from the 2 suspects who were attempting to cross the border. Security forces took the 2 individuals into custody. The suspects, whose names have still not yet been released, had apparently concealed the money, in a skillful manner, and refrained from disclosing the amount they were attempting to take out of the country. Iraq has faced challenges in curbing the outflow of dollars from the country, with suspicions that these funds are being smuggled into neighboring countries. In recent years, efforts have been made to bolster security along the Iraqi-Syrian border to prevent the infiltration of fighters from the Islamic State group. More recently, the al-Qaim border crossing has also transformed into a transit point for illegal narcotics, particularly captagon pills, being smuggled from Syria into Iraq. In recent months, Iraqi security forces have intensified their efforts against narcotics, leading to the successful confiscation of significant quantities of drugs. Just this last March, officials discovered 3 million illegal pills hidden inside crates of apples on a truck as it crossed the border. The border crossing is located between Iraq's Anbar Desert region and Syria's Deir Zor province. And Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani, who also serves as the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, led a meeting of the National Security Council on Wednesday. The meeting was attended by council members and focused on the latest security developments and crucial challenges, along with strategies to counter them. The council also hosted the Ministers of Higher Education and Scientific Research, and Electricity, alongside the specialized committee responsible for nuclear projects. Discussions revolved around the utilization of nuclear energy for national electricity generation. Initiating a limited peaceful nuclear reactor for electricity production was discussed as a means to reduce dependency on other energy resources such as gas and oil. According to a statement following the meeting, this move is anticipated to positively impact long-term electrical stability. And the Iraq Stock Exchange unveiled on Thursday that trading activity surged to nearly 500 billion shares, amounting to a total valuation of 444 billion dinars. This significant trading volume encompasses registered Iraqi joint stock companies and spans from the onset of the current year through the conclusion of August. As per a report published today by the stock exchange, during the course of August 2023, the Iraq Stock Exchange facilitated 23 trading sessions dedicated to the shares of 103 listed Iraqi joint stock companies. Within the current month, the aggregate count of trading days achieved 23 sessions. On an annual basis, spanning until August 31, this figure escalated to 159 sessions, signifying a robust 67% of the projected trading days for the entire year of 2023. This equivalency aligns with official working days. In line with this trading vigor, a substantial transaction of 67 billion shares transpired. Aggregate trading for the year until August 31 amounted to 475 billion shares, showcasing a substantial 84% of the total shares exchanged throughout the entirety of 2022. Moreover, the cumulative traded shares represented a total value of 444 billion dinars. For the year up until the conclusion of August, this cumulative value stood at 371 billion dinars, reflecting a noteworthy 85% of its total value for the year 2022. Concurrently, the ISX 60 traded stock price index exhibited a robust standing at the conclusion of 809.8 points. By the end of August 2023, the index closed with an impressive 38% increase. Moreover, as compared to the conclusion of July 2023, the index exhibited a pronounced rise of 13% during the month of August. This financial landscape saw notable developments beyond trading figures. The Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) issued Resolution No. 9 February 439 on August 2, 2023, mandating banks to progressively augment their current capital to 400 billion Iraqi dinars in phased stages. This regulatory adjustment will culminate by the close of December 31, 2024. Furthermore, the disclosure landscape saw engagement from corporate entities. A total of 70 joint stock companies have submitted their comprehensive 2022 annual disclosures. These insights are now accessible on the official website, providing stakeholders with transparent financial perspectives. The regulatory domain also observed activity. The Securities Commission issued regulatory framework for licensing brokerage companies No. 20 of 2023, reflecting a commitment to a structured financial environment. Thanks, take care.